Kids, we're back with another episode of Instrument of the Day, right here at Mystic Drums with Jerry the Frog and Lorne. That's me. Yeah, your best friend. We haven't seen him in a little bit. Well, let's bring him out. The Ninja Pig is here. All right, Ninja Pig. Ooh, ah, digga, digga, that. Nice. Ooh, back into your spot. And a new guest, a new friend. We're very welcoming to our family, so we're going to bring in Kitty, Kitty, meow, meow. Oh, look at, she's just a little bit shy. Oh, she's a shy kitty. Oh, isn't she so cute? Why are you so brown? What do you mean your owners don't take good care of you? And they don't change your kitty litter? What? That's why you're so stinky. Oh, ooh, yeah, I see that. Your new name is Stinky, Stinky Kitty. Mm-hmm. And you can sit right beside Stinky, Stinky Piggy. How about this? Why don't we try, instead of a piggyback, a kitty back? Kitty back? Oh boy, kitty back. Whoa, we did it. Today's instruments continue our search in the world of shakers for every shaker we can find. And today's shakers are special effects shakers. So, first ones I want to show you, they're kind of inside-out shakers. The shaky stuff's on the outside. But when I play this, it really reminds me of a waterfall. Like, close your eyes, imagine you're standing under a waterfall. Beautiful sound. I love that sound. It washes over me, transports me away from this place. Was there a waterfall just there a second ago? Hey, the next sound effect, using a shaker and a couple whistles, we can actually take a virtual train ride and get out of this place. All right, let's try that again. Close your eyes and imagine we're taking the train. You guys too. All aboard. Train's leaving the station. Move your arms like a train. Oh, a little bit faster. We're on our way. Faster. Faster. Train's out of control. Coming into the station, we arrive back safe and sound. And there's more shakers to be found. So come back next time, like and subscribe below. Kabam, tazooey, kapow pow, boom.